guys, I'm Anna, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a new Chase debit card design. So first of all, you'll need to log into your Chase online account. You can do this either through the Chase website or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts section and find the specific checking account that's linked to your current debit card. Now click on that account and then look for the option that says either More Options or Replace Card. This is where you'll start the process of getting a new design. From there, Chase usually gives you the option to choose why you're requesting a new card, like if it's lost, damaged, or, in this case, if you just want a new look. Once you choose, I want a different design, you'll be shown a selection of available card styles. This includes their standard designs, limited edition themes, and sometimes even options related to sports teams or universities. Scroll through, pick the one you like, and then confirm your selection. After that, Chase will mail your new debit card to the address they have on file, typically within 5 to 7 business days. Just make sure your address is up to date before submitting your request. And don't worry, once your new card arrives, your old one will still work until you activate the new one. So there's no gap in access to your funds. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.